Part of summer is swimming in my pool.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Beautiful day here in central Iowa. Gonna be a hot day too. Supposed to be in the middle to upper 80s today, I believe. And we are gonna get back in the field here shortly. Like I just said, we are gonna get in the field here real soon, like real soon. But I wanted to do a little update here on what's going on. And in my last video, you saw I got all this stuff out. Have this piece right here, which that needs some work. What I'm going to end up doing, and I don't have my light over here or anything set up, but I'm going to end up cutting this right back in here, taking all this out. I have a piece made up for this, but not sure. I may make another one. And the body mounts on this, I just ordered a new set of body mounts for the Bronco like maybe 30 minutes ago. I don't know for sure when they're going to get here. Probably the first part of next week. I wish I could have them by the weekend, but doubt that's going to happen. And I ordered Prothane body bushings just like these. However, this kit won't fit the Bronco. It's for trucks, I guess. So I went ahead and I ordered another set of these that is for the Bronco. That bushing that I'm working on right now, the one in the front, I have to think it's that one. This would go on top, this would go on the bottom, just like that. But I'm going to hold off from using these, I guess, and use the kit that says it's for the Bronco. I can't think that up here in the front part of the Bronco that it's any different than the trucks. But just in case, I'm going to wait until I get the ones that are specifically for the Bronco. We don't have a whole lot left to do in the field. We'll probably get completely done tomorrow, or pretty darn close. So if I get in from out of the field in time tonight, I may work on this and get that cab support bracket mount out of there. And like I said in my last video, it's spot welded all up in there. And I think what I may do is, if I can get those spot welds drilled out, drill them out, and then bolt the new one in instead of spot welding it. So that's where things are with the Bronco right now. Gonna try to get that done tonight if I get in out of the field in time. Never know how that's gonna go, but and I'll tell you what, you just can't keep up on mowing around here. It takes about 3.5 hours to mow this place, and then also spraying weeds. I sprayed all around here yesterday. Just this kind of stuff that starts coming up in the driveway, and it just happens all over the place. Also took out the old swimming pool. That pool had been here a long time, probably 10 years, maybe 11. And we've been talking about getting a new, much bigger pool, but we'll see. They don't exactly give those things away. Old Jessie dog here, I don't think her and warm weather is going to get along real well. She seems to get hot real quick. Just as I was walking in here, I got an alert on my phone. Those bushings that I ordered just a little while ago says they shipped already. coming up from Texas, and the United States Postal Service says guaranteed to be here by the 22nd. Kind of hoping maybe they'll get here Saturday. Here we go again. All done. So finally back in the shop. Got in from out of the field, and then my sister came over and we sat outside and talked for a while. And I'm probably not gonna get anything done on the Bronco tonight. Just don't feel like it tonight. Going back out to the field first thing in the morning, gotta take beans to my dad out in the field, and then I'm going to be going, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a field right over there, about 3/4 of a mile that way. And then after that, I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing. Might be working on the Bronco. We've got that field to do. Well, the field I was in today, my dad's gonna plant that in the morning. Got that field to do. There's another field that got field cultivated, just a little too wet to plant today. It'll get planted tomorrow, I believe, and then another field down the road here. I'm kind of guessing we're gonna get all of that done maybe tomorrow. I think we'll get it done on Saturday for sure. So once we get done with planting, I can put a lot more time into this and not have to go back and forth. So not really gonna be that big of a deal down here. Like I already told you, cut that out. I'm gonna put a new piece in. I may try to get the old cab support out of here. I may try to do that yet tonight, I'm not sure. And if I do, I'll be sure to show that to you. Otherwise, back out to the field in the morning. And this this might be the last day. I don't think we're gonna get completely done today, but as far as field cultivating, I think we may get done today. This might be my last field that I'm gonna have to do. Just not real sure. Not any too dry in this field. It's kind of strange. This field was really wet, and it looks pretty dry on top, and we're kicking up some dust. But I think just under the surface, it's a little damp. A lot of this field is fine. Then you run into places like right up in here, not too bad. But there are some places where it's just real kind of spotty, all wet on top. And I can get through them okay. It pulls down pretty hard, but when you got a field cultivator in the ground running through a little bit of mucky stuff, it's kind of hard to pull. Supposed to be in the middle 80s today, sunny, and tomorrow I think it's supposed to be 80, maybe lower 80s, and I believe sunny most of the day. There's a chance of severe storms tomorrow night, so it would probably be good to get this field planted if we could, although if we get severe storms and a whole lot of rain, maybe it wouldn't. Now we are going to try to plant this today, or my dad's going to try to plant it. He's going to plant it today. I hadn't heard the latest forecast, and it sounds like there's a slight chance of rain tonight, just showers, but you never really know what might happen. And it wouldn't take much at all to make this field just too wet to plant. And then there's a lot better chance of rain tomorrow night and the next day. So it's getting done today. I, however, am just about done field cultivating this. I'm almost up on the other end to where I'm going to start filling out my corner this way. And that goes pretty darn quick, so just about done here. Well, back in the shop next day, actually. Got done in the field yesterday. We're almost done planting. We have one planter that needs to plant, I think, 2 fields. And then my dad's going out. He is replanting some ponds from that rain we had. Drowned out some corn, gonna replant those ponds. And I have to go check on one of said ponds in a field that's way far away in just a little bit. But planting is done. Should be able to get a lot more work done on the Bronco now, which I am going to start here after a while, after I get back from checking on said pond. And I will start a new video with that, working on the Bronco, not checking said pond. Did get an alert that I have something down at my P.O. box. I might run down there and pick that up if I have time. I think they close early afternoon. 7:30 in the morning right now. Don't know if I'm going to make it down there or not today. I'm guessing it's probably more license plates. And if you have a license plate or anything else you'd like to send into the Fox shop, the address is down in the description. There's also a link down there for t-shirts, channel stickers. That link's down in the description as well. So I'm going to end this video right here, and next video we'll be working on the Bronco. So give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.